and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festus67's workshop, and welcome to part 5 of the Eleanor Mustang build for the wonderful people at Fanhome. Now in this episode we're going to be assembling the seats for your Eleanor Mustang, and we're going to start with the driver's seat, and it is a nice leather trimmed backrest as well on this. So there's the link on screen where you can go and check out Fanhome's site and grab your Eleanor from. So we'll make a start. In here we have got parts 5A, B and C as per the instructions. And you've also got some PS05 screws. So we'll just line these bits up and we'll get this out of the bag. And it's actually a nice shiny silver, or chrome even, inner frame that goes on this seat. And again, this is a substantial little piece. It's going to be a nice quick episode, this one. Literally, we're just going to be putting these pieces together and forming the backrest. But this is a tiltable seat as well, folks. So we'll just grab these screws out the bag. The usual thing, you get a spare. And then we'll start on sections 5.1 of your instructions. And it's literally just a matter of screwing these bits in to the seat part, and yeah, using the plastic screws on this episode. But yeah, it's got a texture to it, this seat, and it's got a little bit of the squish factor as well, folks. So we just press that into place like so, as per the instructions there that were on the screen. And then grab your screwdriver like so. Line the screw up. Give it a little dip in the 3-in-1 oil if you need to, like so. And then just drop that straight in the appropriate hole and nip it up, folks. Don't go too tight, you just want to nip it, just so that it bites and it doesn't rattle. Here you go. Just repeat the process on the next 3 screws. I tend to go diagonals. Don't know why, it's just something I do. So we'll put the bottom corner in. And then the same again with this one. Like that. Get that in there. And nip that up. Do the same on this one. Just like so. Turny, turny, turny. Like so. Look at that. Wow, isn't it? I'll just wipe the fingerprints off. Mind you, I might leave one for prosperity. You never know. You know, one day in the future, someone will go, oh, whose fingerprint's that? Yeah. Right, let's turn the page just to see how this goes together. And it's got lugs on there that look like they just press and locate into the chrome plate in there. So just line up your prongs, make sure they're all in line, like that, and then press together all the way around like so. Rotate the piece just to get these all home and tight against the frame. And look at that. Nice little easy build there, folks. What a lovely seat. Got all the ribbing in the back there. It's got the logo in it. And yeah, look at that. Hey, wow. Now I'm going to keep this in the bag. So keep hold of your bags, folks. Just pop your parts back in there until you're ready to start assembling the main interior of the car. It keeps all your pieces scratch free and dust free as well. And I'll keep one of the boxes that this arrived in. Don't forget, if you want to go and build and start your collection, hit this link. Link is also available in the description below. And you can grab your Eleanor and you can continue your build along with me on this massive 1/8 scale Mustang. Thank you again to everyone at Fanhome who have been kind enough to send me this. And I look forward to seeing you in episode 6 for more of this build up. Bye bye for now. Bye.